Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to make henna mix for hair at home. To begin, measure out about 100 grams of pure henna powder, which is ideal for medium-length hair. Always use a non-metallic bowl and spoon to mix your henna, as metal can react with the powder. Gradually add warm water or brewed tea, like black tea, stirring until you achieve a smooth, yogurt-like consistency. This forms the essential base for your natural hair dye. Now, let's talk about customizing your henna mix for even better results. For enhanced dye release, stir in about 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. To add moisture and condition your hair, include 2 tablespoons of a nourishing oil, such as olive oil or coconut oil. If you desire darker shades and want to boost hair health, a small pinch of amla powder is a fantastic addition. These optional ingredients truly elevate your homemade henna treatment. Achieving the right consistency is crucial for an effective henna application. Mix your paste thoroughly until it is completely smooth and free of any lumps, much like a thick yogurt. Once mixed, cover the bowl tightly with plastic wrap, creating an airtight seal. This prevents the paste from drying out. Allow the henna to sit at room temperature for 8 to 12 hours. This crucial resting period ensures optimal dye release, giving you the best color results. Finally, it's time for application and rinsing. Apply the prepared henna paste evenly to clean, dry hair, working meticulously in small sections from roots to tips. For a rich, vibrant color, leave the henna on your hair for approximately 2 to 4 hours. After the desired time, rinse your hair thoroughly with plain water. Continue rinsing until all henna residue is completely gone and the water runs clear, revealing your beautifully colored hair.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.